Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you skin whitening rice face wash for bright and glowing skin. Rice has anti-aging properties in it, so it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Use this face wash daily and you can see visible results. This face wash doesn't dry out your skin, so people with any skin type can use this face wash. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. To prepare this we need 1 cup of rice, and next you need a Dove soap or any pears or glycerin based soap. I have grated my soap like this. Next you need sweet almond oil, aloe vera gel, and finally you need vitamin E capsules. Now let's move on to the process. Take 1 cup of rice and wash it twice. After washing it, add some water and soak it for 1 or 2 hours. Now add this soaked rice in mixie jar. Along with that water, add the rice. And after adding this, grind it and you will get a consistency like this. Now strain the grinded rice, because we don't want the rice particles in our face wash, so strain it like this. So after straining it, keep it in low flame and heat it for 2 to 3 minutes and not more than that, because the consistency becomes more thick if you keep it in more temperature. So next I'm going to add this grated soap in this mixture after switching off the flame. So once the soap is melted, this is how it looks. Now to this mixture I'm going to add aloe vera gel, 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, next I'm going to add 1 vitamin E capsule, extract oil from this, and finally add some sweet almond oil into this mixture. Now mix everything well. Now I'm going to transfer this mixture into this empty container. Now let's see how to use this face wash. Use this face wash daily in your morning and nighttime skincare routine, then you will absolutely find a lot of difference in your skin texture. I have transferred this in 2 bottles and you can see this is how the consistency of face wash looks. So this rice face wash is very good for skin. It gives you brighter, fairer and glowing skin, and if you're having wrinkles and fine lines, then it helps you get rid of all your skin problems and it doesn't dry out your skin. Do try this amazing rice face wash and share your experience with me. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Yeah, until next video, see you, bye.